consists of two types of data: qualitative data, which consists of attributes, labels, or non-numerical entires, or quantitative data, which consists of numerical measurements or counts. The nature of the data you are working with will help determine which statistical procedure to use.
Levels of measurement determine which statistical calculations are meaningful. In order to lowest to highest, they rank nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. The lowest level of measurement is the nominal level of measurement. Qualitative data is only at this level. Data at this level is organized using names, labels, or qualities. No mathematical computations can be made at this level. The second level of measurement is ordinal level of measurement. This can either be qualitative or quantitative data. Data at this level can be arranged in order or ranked, but differences between data entries are not meaningful.
The third level of measurement is the interval level of measurement. It can be ordered, and you can calculate meaningful difference between data entries. At the interval level, a zero entry simply represents a position on a scale. The entry is not an inherent zero. The other level of measurement is a ratio level of measurement. Similar to data at the interval level, with the added property that a zero entry is an inherent zero. A ratio of two data values can be formed so that one data value can be meaningfully expressed as a multiple of another.
What is inherent zero? An inherent zero is a zero that implies none. The amount of money you have in a savings account could be $0. In this case, the zero represents no money, which results in an inherent zero. On the other side, a temperature of 0 degrees does not mean there is no heat present. The 0 degrees is simply the position of the temperature on the scale. This is not inherent zero.
And now a quick overview of the level of measurements from nominal to ratio. All levels put data in categories. All but nominal arrange data in order. Nominal and ordinal do not subtract data values, and all but ratio do not determine if one data value is a multiple of another.